Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 18th, 2025, and we're diving into Baidu's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Baidu has been a leader in AI and internet services. What can we expect from their latest earnings report?
Thank you for having me. Baidu's Q3 2025 report highlights their continued focus on AI innovations, with significant developments in AI cloud and autonomous driving through Apollo Go. Despite some financial challenges, their strategic investments in AI are showing promising returns.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Baidu reported total revenues of RMB 31.2 billion, marking a 7% decline year-over-year. John, what are the key factors behind this revenue dip?
The decline in revenue is primarily due to a decrease in online marketing revenue, which fell by 18% year-over-year. However, it's important to note that their non-online marketing revenue, driven by AI cloud, actually increased by 21%. The operating loss of RMB 15.1 billion is largely attributed to an impairment of long-lived assets, which significantly impacted their bottom line.
That's quite a substantial loss. How did this affect their net income?
Net income was also affected, resulting in a loss of RMB 11.2 billion. However, excluding the impairment, Baidu's non-GAAP net income was RMB 3.8 billion, indicating that their core operations are still generating positive returns.
AI innovations and strategic initiatives. Despite the financial setbacks, Baidu continues to innovate in AI. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives in this area?
Absolutely. Baidu's AI cloud revenue grew over 50% year-over-year to RMB 10 billion, showcasing strong enterprise adoption. Apollo Go, their autonomous ride-hailing service, expanded to 22 cities globally, including new markets like Switzerland and Abu Dhabi. Additionally, their AI-native marketing services saw a remarkable 262% growth year-over-year, driven by demand for AI-enhanced solutions.
And what about their latest AI model, Ernie 5.0?
Ernie 5.0 is a significant advancement, offering omnimodal capabilities for understanding and creative tasks. This positions Baidu as a leader in AI innovation, with potential applications across various industries.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's discuss Baidu's operational efficiencies. How are they managing their costs and investments?
Baidu's cost of revenues increased by 12% year-over-year, primarily due to AI cloud business costs. However, they managed to reduce R&D expenses by 3%, reflecting a more focused investment strategy. Their total cash and investments stand at RM 296.4 billion, providing a strong financial foundation for future AI innovations.
What can investors expect from Baidu moving forward?
Investors can expect Baidu to continue pioneering AI innovations, as emphasized by CEO Robin Li. Their focus on AI cloud and autonomous driving, along with strategic partnerships, will likely drive long-term growth and solidify their leadership in the AI sector.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 91 cents for Baidu based on a survey of 2 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
Baidu reported an adjusted EPS of $1.56, significantly beating the forecast. This indicates that despite the challenges, Baidu's core operations are performing better than expected, showcasing their ability to generate earnings even in a tough market environment.
That's a positive surprise for investors. What does this mean for Baidu's stock performance?
Beating EPS expectations often leads to positive market reactions. Investors may view this as a sign of Baidu's resilience and potential for future growth, which could positively impact their stock price.
Key takeaways. In summary, Baidu's Q3 2025 earnings report highlights both challenges and opportunities. Despite a decline in revenue, their strategic focus on AI innovations and expansion in autonomous driving are promising. John, any final thoughts on Baidu's investment prospects?
Baidu's commitment to AI and their ability to beat EPS expectations suggests strong future potential. Investors should keep an eye on their AI developments and market expansions, which could drive long-term growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analysis. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Baidu's performance in the comments below.